Hi, and you're joining me here in the Around the World Bed and Breakfast in Bangkok. We stayed here the last 3 nights and now we're heading down to Koh Samui on the sleeper train. Now I couldn't get first class, they were all booked out, but I've got second class sleepers, so you can join us on the journey and see what travelling by sleeper train is all about on the way down to Koh Samui, where we then get the coach and the ferry over to the island. So come on, let's get going. Here we are at Hualongfong station. Just give you a little look round here where we're going to wait. We've got about an hour to wait for our train, and this is the station. It's got a big central foyer there, shelves behind me. We've grabbed a couple of coffees and we're ready for the off. Had a good trip, about 1 hour on the taxi, no problem at all. So we're on the end carriage here. This is the train to Saratani and then on to Koh Samui. So this is a second class sleeper. You can see here we've got a couple of seats at that. You can see we've just got one seat, and that's going to turn into a bed. I'll show you when the guy comes along and makes them up into a bed. Here's something you definitely Western train. When you arrive off the bus on this end, you're going to wait for about an hour. Luckily it's fairly cool out here, a little bit captive. You're going to be waiting for an hour at these restaurants and little cafe bars for your bus to take you to the high-speed catamaran. We'll have a look to see what the high-speed catamaran is like. This is our coach heading to the catamaran ferry. It's a lot cheaper than getting the taxi or the minibus. That's a little more rustic, but we thought it'd be a bit of fun.